Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, next locators we will use get by placeholder. Okay, get by placeholder. So I'll just go for another website. Okay, because the previous website we are not able to find those elements. So if I will inspect this, so we have a orange R HRM. Okay, so if I will inspect this element, you could see we have a attribute called placeholder. So directly we can use this. Okay, so let me start to write this code. Okay, so um, will launch this application. So I'm writing in the one test. If you want, you can create a multiple test, but not required. Just enter this URL. Okay, so this is the URL, and now I will directly use this await page dot get by placeholder. Okay, get by placeholder, and now you could see here this is the dot fill, and here you can see admin username is admin. I'm just going to enter admin and await page dot get by placeholder, and now the password. Okay, sorry, let me first find the element for this password. So this is your password, and now the password is here. Okay, dot fill. Okay, and now uh, this is your password. Okay, this is your password, and now I will click on this login. Okay, login button. Okay, so uh, I'll just copy that path or CSS. Okay, I'll copy this CSS. So login. So click on this await page dot locator. Okay, so let me give in the double quotes dot dot click. Okay, so now in this example we are using placeholder one. Okay, so let me execute this. So file name is same. So let me execute this the same test, and it will launch the application. Now it will enter username and password. I think this application is little bit slow. Okay, uh, so it's taking more time to load. Might be internet or this application is little bit slow, guys. So that's why it's taking more time to load. Okay, still loading. Yeah, it's a have a issue with this. It's a little bit very slow, this application. Okay, so let me rerun again. Let me rerun again. Okay, if it will not work, right? So because this is the application issue, it's exceeded 3000 millisecond. It's exceeded, right? Not 3000, 30,000 millisecond. It's already exceeded, but still you can see it's taking more time. So application is very slow. Let me rerun again. Okay, still it will not work, and might be my internet is also slow. That's why it's taking more time to load. Okay, so still you could see it's loading. Okay, now it's, I think, working. Okay, so it was the application issue. Don't worry. Okay, just you can retry once. I'll check the report. Playwright. So report. Okay, and you could see, guys, the all the steps are passed. Okay, so that's all in this session, guys. See you in the next one.